Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. I'm Monica and I'm back with another subscription box for January. This time we have Boxycharm is the regular box for this month. Probably as far I know in March we're gonna get the luxury one. So far we have the regular $21 box. Let's go ahead and see what's in this one. I saw the spoilers. I got the box today and they sent me yesterday the tracking number and the spoilers, and of course I couldn't resist and look in the spoilers, and I loved what I saw. So let me show you what's in this box for this month. And I'm waiting for a couple more boxes for the Target boxes, the Boxycharm, and what else do I have? The Allure, probably one or two more. Anyway, here is the box. Comes with a card, and my advice always when you get Boxycharm, keep the box until you check the products, because a while ago I got a broken huge Ofra highlighter, the Rodeo Drive, and I remember the name because I love that highlighter. It came completely broken and was everywhere in the box. I was throwing the box before I took the items out, and I was throwing the box. Was the garbage day, and the box was gone. And when I called the customer service and sent them a picture with the broken item, they were asking me for the original shipping box, which I think it's a little bit crazy, but whatever, this is what I think. Anyway, keep the box until you make sure the products are okay. So we have the card, and this is Boxy and Chill, and on the back here we have the products that are in this box. I see here a number 9, usually is the variation of the box in this corner. I don't know if they have 9 variation, but possible. So here is my box inside, and this time we have a full-size start palette. As you know, Boxycharm always send an eye palette usually. This is Start High Performance Natural. Rainforest of the Sea Volume 3 is this one. This one is Dive into the Vegan Crease-Free Eyeshadow Palette that features 7 highly reflective plush micro shimmers and 1 matte nude that serve as the perfect transition shade. This blendable and long-wear formula is enriched with vitamin E and antioxidants, helping to hydrate and protect the lids. Retail price it's $36. So let's see this palette. And this palette comes with a card with four eye looks that you can get with this palette. The print on the palette is so pretty. I do have a different one with a purple print, but so far is this one really cute. And let me show you the palette inside. As they say, there is a matte color here. Sorry for the glare. Anyway, there is a matte color here, and all of them are shimmer. Quite kind of similar one to each other if you look very close to this one. But anyway, this is the palette. I'm not gonna swatch it right now because it's gonna take too long. And as I said, I will have for each palette that I own a video with couple eye looks. So this is the first item. It's a full-size eyeshadow palette, which is not bad. Then the most excited product for me when I saw this in the box was those two masks from Tatcha, Luminous Dewy Skin Mask, 2 of them. And I was looking for those masks on the Sephora. They come in a pack, but they were over $100. I don't know how many were in here, in that packet, probably 5. And I was keep looking and looking, but never bought them. So they came in this month, Boxycharm, and I'm really happy about that. For those masks, Touch Luminous Dewy Skin Face Mask 2-pack, nourish skin from within using this lightweight blend of rice germ oil, vitamin E, essential fatty acids, and highly concentrated botanical oils and extracts. Each mask is designed for maximum absorption, delivering 20 ml of skin quenching serum and imparting an instant dewy luminous glow. A scientifically perfected trio of fermented Japanese anti-aging superfoods like green tea, rice, and algae instant restore skin's health and radiance. $24. I don't know if the two of them are 24 or just one. Knowing the Touch prices, I believe just one is 24. But I may be wrong. Anyway, very happy with those two. Then I see in here a Bite Beauty lipstick, Amos Boucher lipstick, and this one is in the shade Sangria. Is this one right here. This high impact lipstick is multi-dimensional. In multi-dimensional shades, was handcrafted to deliver intense moisture and creamy wear. The lipstick serves bold, creamy color and an unforgettable sensorial experience in a single swipe. $26 for this one. I tried the Bite Beauty lipstick in samples of the week and I really enjoy them. Here is the well-known packaging, and let's see what was this color. Ooh, that's like kind of a berry color. Is this one? I'm kind of regret that I opened this one, but anyway, let me show you the color. It's really creamy. The color is pretty, but I don't feel like it works for me. But I will try this one probably in samples of the week. I saw the same thing. I told you the same thing about the what was that one that I had in samples of the week, the True Coral from Tom Ford, and you like seems to like that color on me, so I'll try this one too to see how it works. Then we have in here an eyeliner. This is Starlux Longwear Eye Pencil. Starlux expands into a mechanical eye pencil with a launch exclusive to Boxycharm. The intensely pigmented formula delivers a beautiful color that lasts all day. The easy to extend and retract pen makes application and continuous use seamlessly easy without ever having to use a pencil sharpener, which I love the idea. $19 the full price. And let me show you this one. I prefer those retractable, although they break way more easy than the classical pen type, but somehow I prefer those. Here is the product. It's an eyeliner. Yeah, it's an eye pencil. I was expecting to see a black color, but actually this one is Aurora Ultra Gem Longwear Eye Pencil. So it's a nude, still can get this as a eye pencil, and it's scratchy. Okay, let me try more. I did try more. Don't like this one. Here is the shade of this one. Probably you can use this one for the inner corner if it doesn't break until you get there. But so far I do not like the formula, and I'm glad I didn't keep one for giveaways. Well, it happens. Last product in here is Briogeo. This time we have the Don't Despair Repair Strength and Moisture Leave-In Mask. Love Briogeo, love their products, love the mask especially. This one comes with 2 ounces, which is 59 milliliters. So love leave-in masks. Probably I'm a lazy person who takes showers at 2 o'clock at night or 1 o'clock, and those are very handy for me. So that's the last product in here. About this one, the super moisturizing and strengthening leave-in conditioner provides reparative benefits and beyond. Its unique formulation of encapsulated argan oil and an optimal blend of transformative nutrients that include B vitamins, coconut oil, algae extract, and biotin help to promote healthy hair that will leave you looking your very best. This one is $16. So a great product in here. So far I do like the box, excepting the eye pencil, but it's okay with me. It's just one product from 5. This is whatever it is. The Brio mask, it's great. A full size Bite Beauty lipstick in this shade. Then we have 2 face masks from Tatcha, very highly expensive, and a full-size product from a full-size eyeshadow palette from Tarte. And I think that's all we got, right? Anyway, the most excited product for me are the face masks, and that's kind of all for Luxie, for Boxycharm, actually not Luxie, it's the regular box. Let me know what do you think about the box. Let me know what do you think about the price, the $21. Usually the value is over 100. I think Boxycharm, if you have the subscription, you're not gonna need any much makeup beside this one, because it always comes with a full eyeshadow palette and many other skincare, hair care products. So I think it's a great box for the value. That's kind of all for the box. And now I will tell you quickly, if you didn't see my last video, I will tell you quickly what I have on my face, on my eyes. And I will do this for each video from now on. If you don't like this, let me know in the comments down below, or just skip the last 5 minutes. So I use, of course, as primers, because I have that sample project pen. I'm using samples, but I'll leave pictures with the full size. This is the Benefit Pore Professional Primer for face. I use for eyelids the Bare Mineral Prime Time for my eyelids. Also, what I use in here as a concealer, where is that one? I lost them already. No, is the 3-stick in the shade Bisque. It's mini concealer crayon, works really nice for me. Then as a foundation I use the Clarins. I got 2 usage from this sample. This is in the shade shade 107 beige. I use this one and I do like it. Then what else I have? As a illuminator, I'm using the Josie Maran Argan Alignment Illuminating Veil. Use this guy always. Then what else I used? I used the Hula Benefit for bronzing. I used the Maybelline Contour Stick for contouring. Use the Sephora Fingertip Eyeliner. Is the gel eyeliner. As a highlighter, I use the Hourglass in Champagne. Is this tiny guy here in the shade Champagne, pretty nice. Is this one, it's another deluxe sample. Also I use the Love of Color in Heavy Petal for my inner corner. I always use one of these, or a Laura Mercier one. This time I use this one. Blush, Peekaboo, it's a tiny sample, it's a cream blush. Then what else I used? In my last video I forgot to mention the mascara. I was using the Giorgio Armani Eyes to Kill. Is this one, and let me show you the wand. So works as you can see on my eyes. I didn't use any primer, so was nice. Then what else I have? As brow products I use the Milani Brow Shaping Clear Wax. this one. Then I used the Goof Proof Brow Pencil. I really like this one, and I told you in my last video, here is the size of this very tiny guy. Love the shape, the diamond shape. You can contour and fill your brows. And of course I use the brow wall conditioning primer. Also, what else I use? I have on my lips the Clarions Jolie Rouge in 742. It's a color that I use many times in my videos. It's almost done, but still have, and this one was a deluxe sample. Probably I'm using this one for, I don't know, over 7 or 8 months. Still a lot of product in here. And as an eyeshadow, I have the Emory 16 color shadow palette color in the shade, in the number 02. There are 3 of them, and I will show you in another video the other 2. I use, of course, those 2 colors. So they look very shimmery, but when you put them on the eyelids, actually they look matte. So is this one, and I think that's kind of all. Of course, a setting powder. I have the Urban Decay all nighter. So I show you the brushes in my last video that I used, and I have a hair on one of them. It's a Wet n Wild one, a Crown one, Makeup Academy, and couple more. So that's kind of all for my makeup. That's kind of all for this video. I will see you guys very soon. In the meantime, you have an amazing day. Love to hear from you in the comments down below. Have a great day or night. See you soon. Bye bye.